prepare ourselves for this time of meditation, if you would just relax, remove anything from your laps or your hands that doesn't need to be there. Just allow whatever is supporting you to fully support you. Receive that. Close your eyes if it's comfortable, or gaze softly down. And just allow my words to move you into a deeper awareness. Feel your body. Feel whatever connecting point from whatever's supporting you, perhaps a chair, a bed, a sofa, whatever that is. And feel how that transmits its support into you. Feel how it is just doing its beingness. It isn't trying to figure something out. It isn't trying to be something else. It is just being. And likewise, every last cell of your body has this same being quality. Some might even call it life. And there is a divine orchestration that allows those trillions of cells that comprise your body to work in an orchestrated manner that makes breathing, thinking, living, sleeping, heart beating, circulation, and so many more things automatic, happening at the right moment, the right time, in the right place. Just feel that orchestration, that essence that is all working for you in this moment, now. Feel your breathing. Just observe it coming in and out. And the pauses at the top and the bottom of the breath. Feel how that moves through your entire being and amplifies your existence. Just allow yourself to follow your breath in, out, and beyond. Allow yourself to just be with this cycle, this automatic cycle that is yours, yet shared with every last creature on this planet, plants included. And just allow that to happen and be in the silence. From this space of expanded awareness, allow yourself to continue focusing on your breath. But also realize that that breath is shared with all on this planet. When I mean all, down to the very last molecules that you are breathing. If there are any people, situations, places, that from your current perspective don't yet feel aligned with that shared breath, that oneness, that peace, that essence that is coursing through you in this moment, just softly call their names aloud, inviting them in to this sea that is already surrounding them. All of these, and so many more not yet named, have been blessed and have been invited, brought closer to this realization that they truly are of the same divine fabric and this essence that we all share. Thank you. Allow yourself to bring your body into this expanded awareness so that you can merge and coalesce your physical and expanded awareness together